Today I'm going to show you how I used a trade copier that trades from MT4 to MatchTrader to pass a recent challenge that I took. I was trading robots that I created myself using EA Studio, and as this exports to MetaTrader, I needed the copier to be able to trade on this particular prop firm. This portfolio took me a long time to develop, and it's been trading well, and I'm going to share those expert advisors as MT4 and MT5 files at the end of the video. So stick around and I'll show you. So first of all, I'm going to show, this is the FTUK is the prop firm that I was trading on. And we can see that we've got this 90K evaluation that has recently passed. If I go to the metrics, we can see that, yeah, this has traded well since 03-08. So it's traded for about 4 months and it passed the challenge 10%. 6 days ago, I received the congratulations, you've reached the profit target. I've had a bit of a negative history with FTUK. See, there's a couple of breached accounts here, and I've discussed that in a past video, so a link to that will be in the description. I've also got another active account here, 100K instant funding account. It's been doing quite well. It's on its way to the target. Not there yet, but it's, I don't know, it's 30% there, maybe 2 accounts. But yeah, I'm going to discuss this one that's just passed. Basically, this FTUK uses the MatchTrader platform. So in order to be able to trade on it, I needed the copier. And the copier I used was the Danes Trades copier. Incidentally, if you want to get strategies and EAs for free from me, you can subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and so you won't miss new uploads. And of course, if you like the content, please hit the like button. So Dane Trades have been creating these trade copiers ever since MetaTrader was banned from many prop firms, and you can see that they copy to MatchTrader, DXTrade, TradeLocker, and in this case I used the MatchTrader one. I do have recent videos on this, so again, either click the pop-up or see the link in the description for further information on these trade copiers. So I'll show this trade copier in action. So down here, this is me on my VPS, and how I used it, you can see that because the account's passed, it's logged out, and it's only the live one showing here, but really there'd be 2 accounts here usually, and you click so that tick shows on the one that you're trading on. And so what I did was I opened a demo account with the same starting balance as the challenge, and that way I was able to just send. I kept it simple for the trade copier, and I just used a lot multiplier of 1. So basically it was very simple. Any trade that opened on this, it just copied the same lot size to my challenge account, which was pretty much of the same balance. So the risk was almost the same. In this case, I'm using Darwin X demo account, and it's trading to FTUK and using their liquidity, but it remains close enough. Again, yeah, there's not too much to it. All the content is well and truly discussed well on the Danes trade, so I don't think I need to go too much further into that, but that's just how I use the copier. You can use fixed lot size, so just any trade that opens a particular fixed lot, you can use a risk factor, so that will allow you to trade, say, a bigger account, so it just scales the trade up. And so if this is trading on a, say, 100,000 challenge, it would multiply the lot size by roughly 4 to scale up the risk. But that's just how I've chosen to use it. For the EAs themselves, I basically, in fact, I've got them here. So I've downloaded these in MT4 and MT5 for anyone to use. And basically you can see I've got 2 AUD USD expert advisors, 1 GBP USD, and 2 USD CAD. So there's 5 expert advisors in total that make up this portfolio. Each of these has been developed using Expert Advisor Studio. So I used the Reactor tool to find good strategies, and then I performed my own kind of robustness testing, which includes Monte Carlo validation and testing on other markets, checking on other brokers' data. EA Studio allows you to change the data to make sure that the strategy isn't just fit into one particular data set. So these have all been through that. Also, just for information's sake, this software allows you to export Expert Advisor code to MT4 and MT5. So you don't need to code these strategies. You can work within this system and set your parameters or let the generator find them, and then you can just get ready to use Expert Advisors. If you're interested in giving it a go, you can either go here and you can test it for free. You get a 15-day free trial, and it's $49 190 euros for the license. Or as I always recommend, there's packages which allow you even more value. So the optimal pack, for example, being the first one, you would get your EA Studio lifetime license, but you also get Forex Strategy Builder, which is an excellent kind of partner software. And all experts that come from this can actually be exported into Forex Strategy Builder. And there's some more advanced features that you can do in there. For example, add indicators that aren't necessarily available. It lets you advance the strategies if you're interested in that. And there's also other courses and stuff. So I'll see the link here and I'll leave that to you to decide. Basically, that's all I wanted to show, how I've created these strategies. Certain robustness tests have been performed on them. So if you'd like to trade them, like to trade the ones that allowed me to pass this challenge with this equity curve, I encourage you to do so. So to download these expert advisors, please just use the link in the description. I'm happy trading with them. And also, please check out my next video, which we publish shortly, which is actually on my experience with FT UK as a prop firm and why I don't necessarily recommend you use them. So I would encourage you to check out the video that's popped up. Trade safe. Bye for now.